I'm Galen Crabtree with PoolFax, bringing you your PoolSmart review of the PoolFax report that was completed today on the property. It's brought to you by Floyd of 525 Realty. If you have further questions about this report or this property or other property in the area, we have included a link to his personal website here in the report, as well as in the video description down below. So let's dive in, shall we? So today we are talking about a very nice, let this open, free-form design pool that includes a hot tub. Now it has very special features. It's a Class A organite pool that was built in 2014 by Blue Haven of Oklahoma. It was built for $140,876, and you're probably asking yourself, wow, what goes into a pool to make $140,000? Well, we're going to cover that, and this is every bit of that and more. Believe me, this pool is actually on another level of pool ownership. There's a view from the patio deck, freeform. It's got paver decking with a stone that was brought in from outside the state, most likely Colorado. It looks like a Colorado type flagstone, both coping and paver decking that's mortared onto a concrete base. And they also used a similar stone for this reverse beam masonry facing fire pit deck. So going back to the report, like I said, this is a Class A concrete or gunite pool. It is a freeform design. It had an oversized hot tub. Let's see if we can bring that back up here. Oversized, it's about 11 by 10, seats quite a few people. And if you wonder what the white heads are in here, that's the in-floor cleaning system, and we'll discuss that in a minute. Again, some of the other exquisite features is the decking being a natural paver and the coping being a natural stone. The tile in the pool was a porcelain tile with deco tile spacers every so often. A lot of money and a lot of energy was spent on this pool, and it was spent in the right places. So let's take a look at the Q score and see what that translated to. So as we look over here on a scale of 1 to 5, this pool currently scores out at a 4.17. Now this is a high value pool market where this home is at. The average is 4.22. Now what we're going to see is there's just a few items down here in our PoolSmart recommendations that's going to bring this pool up to its true Q score value. One of them was the self-closing, self-latching gates for safety barrier access into the pool area. Now this is commonly not in place, even though it's supposed to be at the time of construction. They kind of fail over time. It needs a self-closing, self-latching gate that swings away from the pool. Very simple feature to address and to get those points back. Last, the pool had color LED lighting as far as we could tell. The problem is we couldn't tell that they actually turned on, which is the the number one failing item in pools are lights. And as long as the sellers can validate these are operating, we get those points back as well. And as we can see here, this pool would score out at a 4.89 on a scale of 5, significantly above the inside market. And as we said, the money was spent on the right things. So let's transition and take a look at what were those things the money was spent on. Well, let's start with the interior finish and the construction features. We always like to look at the interior finish or plaster the pool and see where it stands. There's 3 levels: quartz, sparkle quartz, and a higher level of quartz penetration. And then there's things like Pebbletec, which is an exposed aggregate. Now, Pebbletec is the branded manufacturer that it created exposed aggregate. And if we know this was Pebbletec installed, the color would have been basically Pebbletec Sandy Beach, most likely. It could have been the Pebble Sheen as well. But here's what we know. If this was the Pebbletec brand installed, Oklahoma is not a market that really sustains its own Pebbletec licensed installer in the Oklahoma City area. Most of the time, the number one and best installer comes out of Dallas, Atlantis Plaster. And most likely they were brought up, which incurred quite a bit more expense to do it. But the finish is much more durable, much more elegant. If you were to see it in person, you'll know it. It's probably less than 25% of the pools in this area. Now, the other thing we want to look at is, now let's look at what are some of the entertainment value features of this pool. Well, we know it has color LED lighting. If they were functional, that is an upgrade to a pool, and it's great experience at night for the family, friends, and get-togethers. The oversized hot tub accommodates a lot of folks in the evening. It also has a 9-foot deep diving pool. All right. Last but not least, That lower fire pit patio with that reverse beam masonry facing is a great entertainment feature at night. Now let's move on to what's also important to the quality of ownership. We've talked about finish, we've talked about entertainment value. Now we're going to talk about circulation. We always like to compare and see if pools have an in-floor system or that they're traditional perimeter return. This pool actually had an in-floor cleaning system by A&A Manufacturing. Now, this translates to some greater efficiencies such as heating efficiency because we're heating from the floor, chemical distribution. There's many quality of ownership features that this person's going to experience that the other ones don't. Now, let's transition over to equipment, sanitation, and filtration. These are what keep the water in its most pristine condition, okay? So typically you would see a single speed pump. This particular pool has experienced a Pentair IntelliFlow variable speed pump upgrade. Now, this allows the pump to run almost 60% more efficient and less energy than you would see in a single speed pump, greater control. It also gives you an opportunity to heat the pool more effectively because you can control your RPMs to slow it down, to go through the heater slower and heat faster as it goes through. Now, the next thing that's really important when you have things such as a variable speed pump is, does the system have smartphone automation or digital automation? In this particular case, the pool has Jandy smartphone iAqualink automation control, which also includes freeze protection, a very satisfactory feature for the quality of ownership. You know, if we're looking for three prized items in a pool, when you're looking to buy them, that will translate to the greatest quality of ownership, uh, variable speed pumps, automation control, and in-floor cleaning system. And it has all three. In addition to sanitation, to make it a little more easier than like a chlorine float in the pool, this has an offline chlorine feeder and a cartridge filter system. So last but not least, let's take a look at the safety features in this pool. Again, because it has an A&A in-floor system, they use the A&A Manufacturing ABSC safety compliant drains, both in the pool and the spa, for maximum cleaning performance and swimmer safety. Last on the safety, we addressed it earlier, is the pedestrian gates need a little work to be self-closing and self-latching. And if the homeowner wishes to add passage alarms on the windows and doors that allow direct access, then this would actually reach the pinnacle of pool safety access. That pretty much completes the PoolSmart review of your PoolFax report. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Ben Floyd with 525 Realty or ourselves. If you wish to know more about this home being PoolSmart eligible now and the features, it's at the tail end of the report. These are the features that are available now because the PoolFax report has been done. Cheers, everyone.